How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working. If Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are not working on an iPhone, then you can follow these steps to fix this issue. So, first one is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume down button on newer iPhones. Then you will get to see slide to power off button available on your screen. Now slide it and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Now, once you are back, all you have to do is simply turn on and off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on a device. You can do it through settings as well and the control center as well. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. After that, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and look for the settings app available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the settings, scroll down in there and look for the general and simply tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the software update, and if an update is available, install it, because buggy Wi-Fi Bluetooth often gets fixed in updates. Once updated, all you have to do is go back to the general again and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. This will erase save Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.